Send the next one up.
Truck 3 is secure. Move to truck 5.
As the Starfruit speeds along the belts, optical sensors identify imperfections. Yet, the
Advanced filters refine the juice further. Multi-layer filtration units polish the liquid. The smooth fluid motion continues forward. Water content is reduced to create syrup base. Evaporation chambers thicken the liquid. This countercurrent cooling process gradually reduces the viscosity, stabilizing the liquid for storage. Thickness is adjusted precisely. Sensors measure density, while mixers adjust consistency. From the holding tanks, the syrup is pumped directly into the high-speed filling machines, ensuring every bottle is perfectly measured.
Move that pallet to the next bay now. We got to keep this line moving.
The journey from raw fruit to this finished elixir highlights its brilliant clarity and texture, concluding the industrial process.